I'm pretty sure the key to doing these videos is just to do them as quickly as possible. This is the Vernons. Once again, this is state statutes, Texas. This is the codes annotated. This is the government code. You can see, well, that's bad, but it's Thomson Reuters is the publisher. Again, that's the West. It's the same. Yeah, Thomson Reuters, they own West. So they give you a preface. They tell you what's in there. There's this thing called the disposition table that has where the old statutes were and where they got put into the code. There's called a derivation table, and that's the opposite. So if you have where in the code you know it is now, then it will take you back to the previous statute. This is going to be clear when we get into statutes, but this is a little bit confusing. So for the government code, they have the table of contents at the beginning, and then they go into the title, which is just like a subset, and then you have a chapter, and they have all kinds of table of contents. Here is, you can see, there's, this is a statute, 2001.001. That's a statute. You can see there's a lot of notes. And then there's a lot of sort of research references. These are all cross-references. These are things that you might use to research. And then after that, you have notes of decisions, which is all of the cases, well, not all of them, but the main cases that have cited back to that particular statute. And this is just what it looks like. It's going to look the same on Westlaw. And here you have what's called a pocket part. And this is how a pocket part works. It's an update, but instead of being in a pamphlet form, they just make it into a little pamphlet that you stick in the back, like a pocket. This is, it's got information about effective dates, just like the main volume. Just like the main volume, it's set up the same way. It's just got the most recent update. It has all the same kind of information. We'll go into this all in more depth, but I just wanted to give you a preview to show you how different really statutes look from the case law. Note that they all have the same publisher. These are, yeah, so this is what's going to be in a pocket part. And that's just one volume of Vernon's. It's called Vernon's because I think originally it was published by someone named Vernon's. But West bought them up, and then, they kept the name. It is classically black with the gold lettering. That's just Texas, though. Everybody else is going to have their own kind of scheme.